Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this video. This is the little project we're making today, a little sweet treat holder. So let me show you how I did it. It's about the third time I'm videoing this one because I've made such a boo-boo already. I'm fed up with myself. So we've got 2 points here. We're going to use the thicker point. So we've got scored 1/2 inch, and then at 4 inches, and at 6 inches, and at 9.5 inches, and then again at 2 inches, and turn it around, and at 1 inch, and that should be your scoring. So now we're just going to fold on all our score lines. This one I'm going to fold in this way because we want it to be the flap fold over piece. So I'm just going to make sure we do it like that. And the rest we're going to fold normally. These score lines are sometimes a devil to find. So there we go, and then there's this last one somewhere down here. Okay, now this fluffy bit that goes over, we're just going to put some tear and tape quickly along here. And we're just going to put a second piece close to the score line as we can. It's not easy since you can't see it very well. Burnish it, take it off, get rid of those pieces, and just fold this down, give it a burnish, and then where you've got your score lines, just come in again and reinforce the fold again. Like that. Okay, so now we're going to just cut up to the score lines. Easier said than done, but we'll try. And on this first one, we're just going to cut away this tiny little, on the 1/2 inch side, this tiny little tab. Easier if I show it to you. Just that little bit there. And then we're going to cut up to the score lines on the rest. Okay, so now we've got all these little tabs free at the bottom. So now we can put some adhesive again, and some on this tab at the side. Turn it over, 1, 2, 3 tabs. And as I said, it's really difficult to see the score lines on this paper. But I really like the paper, so that's why we're using it. Oops, I've just torn that, but that is on the inside, so no one will be any the wiser that we made that boo-boo. Okay. Give everything a bit of a burnish, and then we're just going to fold in our box and close it up. So I'm just going to bring the sides together. Just make sure they're the same. And then fold in our base, our sides, get rid of the score tape. The tear and tape, whatever you want to call it. It's double-sided tape. There we have our little box. Done. Really simple. So you can put our little treats in it already. And I think it looks quite cool, but we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Stamp set I'm going to use is this one called Tasteful Textures, and we're going to use this one just that says just saying hello. And I've got a scrap piece here of Whisper White, wherever it is. Here it is. And stamping in Memento ink. And we're just going to put it here, saying just saying hello. Like that. and then we're just going to cut it out freehand using our trimmer. Okay, so the camera didn't film when I thought it was filming, so all I did was cut out my sentiment, put it on basic black, and then I just put it on the front of here using some dimensionals, and then I've just here embellished it with a little gold pearl, and that's what I've done there. And then the ribbon I've used was the fine art ribbon here, which has this lovely glittery flecks through it. So those are the projects. So I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about these projects, supply lists, links to my online shop, etc., it will be in the description box below, alongside all my social media links. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly car club online. So please do check it out. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!